beauty videos on my channel. I hope you enjoy watching my videos and subscribe so that you get notified every time I post new videos. So one of you guys asked me to review the Flawless palette by Makeup Revolution, so here it is. So even if you've watched a couple of my videos, you know I love this palette and I use it to death. I'm going to review as well as swatch the entire palette, so let's begin with the review first. But if you want to skip ahead and just see how it swatches, I'll leave a timestamp in the description below or I'll insert it somewhere here. To begin with, the palette comes in black plastic packaging and it has its name written in rose gold. I'm sure you can see how much I love this palette because the name has completely worn out. So if you flip the palette, you get the company's name, the palette's name as well as some ingredients that they've listed. It came with a rose gold outer packaging, but all of Makeup Revolution's palette come in a basic black packaging. So when you open the palette, it comes with a plastic which has all the shade names written on it. Plus it has a really huge mirror which is always helpful. You get 32 eyeshadows consisting of mattes, shimmers as well as metallics. Initially when I bought this palette, I was a little disappointed after I saw these pans. They are very tiny, but trust me guys, this is going to last you a very long time. So you get a few matte shades which are absolutely necessary to complete any eye makeup. Plus you get these beautiful coppery goldeny colors which are perfect for festive season. And if you want to get a smoky eye look, then these colors are really beautiful. And you get really beautiful pops of colors as well. There are definitely a few hits and misses with this palette, like some of the shades are not very opaque and some matte colors don't really show up. But I really think this is an all-rounder palette as you can use this on a daily basis for your everyday makeup, as well as use this for those glam days when you just want to go all out. You can see these three are my favorite colors as I've already hit pan on these two and I'm soon going to hit pan on this one. I have been using this palette for almost a year now and I've just started to hit pan. So this palette is priced at ₹1750 on all our domestic sites, that is Flipkart, Amazon, Nykaa, etc. But if you buy this palette from Makeup Revolution's official site, this palette is going to cost you ₹689. But they do, however, charge you for shipping, which is ₹700. But honestly guys, even if you do the calculation, it is not going to go up to ₹1750. However, if you're in a hurry and you want this palette within a week, you should go ahead and buy it from our domestic sites. But if you don't mind waiting for 3 to 4 weeks, you can go ahead and buy this palette from Makeup Revolution's official website. So that's it for the review. I hope it helped you out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And now let's move on to the swatches. Already, hit the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Nice golden shades that you need for the but this is very confusing. How am I going to